Hey guys, it's me, Someone That Could Killer, and today it is Wednesday. Bro. And I'm super excited because there's a specific, that guy over here, this bird over here, crow's annoying. Get out of here. Making noise. Anyway, so like I was trying to say, since this idiot crow wanted to make noise, I'm chilling like usual. I need to get a haircut because my hair's all over the place. That's okay. But I am at a place that I go to in Orlando that they're now just having a location here in Jacksonville. Now, I went to their store in Orlando. I went to the store in Gainesville. I went to the store in Savannah, Georgia just recently. But I keep forgetting to make a little video for this one because this one's not open just yet. But when it does open, we will come here for the grand opening, soft opening, whichever, and enjoy the time of us being here. Now, where am I exactly? I'll gladly tell you guys. I am at the brand new, upcoming soon, EnsonMarket. That's right. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, EnsonMarket, yeah. This place, they have a store in Orlando, right? And that's how I got introduced to it, was in Orlando. Now, this place is the place that I get my ramen for a great deal in Orlando. The ones in Gainesville and the ones in Savannah, no. They're not the same price. They're $1.49 and $6 for the 5-pack. Now, will this follow the same suit? Probably. I hope not, but they're probably going to. But what am I sitting here waiting around? Let's go over here and take a look, right? Come on, let's go check. All right. So, it's not open yet to the public. Not yet, because you can still see a coming soon sign. That has been there for about a year. This has been on the going thing for about a year now. This used to be a Winn Dixie because I remember coming into this Winn Dixie before they shut down. And I got a good deal here. But yeah. See, like, nothing's open yet, as you can see. I mean, what I can kind of do is just go like this, peek in there. See, like, that's coming soon. They have self-checkouts there. They have this right here coming soon. That's where the checkout, regular checkouts are going to be with people, if you want people. And look, those are the positions that they have if you're trying to get a job here. So, there's that. There's your carts here. This was blocked off, but not anymore now. Now it's not. See? Yeah. Almost. You just gotta be patient. It's almost getting there. So yeah. See, and you can still see the scars of Winn Dixie there still, but that's okay. All right, now we'll be back here for the grand opening. And this is cool about EnsonMarket too. They have their own trash cans. That's cool too because it has their logo. But yeah. All right, say goodbye to EnsonMarket. We will be back here whenever there's a grand opening, a soft opening, whichever. But yeah. So like we can't go inside there yet unless I speak with someone in there and maybe a potential sneak peek. Probably. Yeah, it could happen. But no. I don't think so. I mean, it doesn't hurt to ask, but yeah. Other than that, that's it for the construction little somewhat video of EnsonMarket. And I'll sit back and you watch this soft opening of EnsonMarket. Look! Look who's open! It's none other than EnsonMarket! Yay! EnsonMarket's finally open! Woohoo! It's been 2 years! 2 years that this place has not been open! And now it's finally freaking open! EnsonMarket! Come on, let's go. Let's go and see what EnsonMarket has to offer today. All right. Nice. And today is the soft opening. They even got advertisement for the soft opening. That's pretty cool. Neat. I have been waiting 2 years to come to this place. Now it's my time to come to this place. Wow. it still looks like the Winn Dixie still in a way. Just a little different. Wow. See, this is the new EnsonMarket that everyone's been talking about for the last 2 years. This is cool. Look, they got your produce here, your fresh produce. You know, you got all of that. Like, my favorite thing when I come here is the specific bean sprouts. But if I have to find it first, because this is a new store, so new store, you're not gonna find a bunch of stuff. Ah, look, green onions. I love green onions. Those are my favorite. Those are my favorite. But for $1, I can go to Aldi's and get it for cheaper, for 65 cents. That's just my personal take on it. So, and these are big bok choy. Oh wow, look, $1. That's not bad. $1 a pound. That's a steal. You're not gonna find that anywhere else, because bok choy, it ranges. So look, more bok choy. I love bok choy. Bok choy is like really good. My friend hooked me up on bok choy a long time ago. Yep, they got, and there's a difference. That's, I think, oh, that's Shanghai bok choy, and then this is the bok choy tips. Those are pretty good. They both taste the same to me, if you ask me. There's the bean sprouts I was looking for. So the, you know what? Because I buy bean sprouts at a nearby Asian supermarket that's nearby here, I'm just gonna buy them here because, you know what? Yeah, and I'm just gonna be nice. And this is only one time I'm gonna buy it. One time over here, because I can go to my Asian market and buy it for $1.39 for 2 bags instead of just one for $2.49. But anyway, look, more bok choy. They even have the baby one. I got my bean sprouts, and as you can still see, it's still new. There's still some stuff going on, like oh, I've actually tried that. That's actually pretty good. It's really, really good. I've tried it. See, there's more stuff here, like their beer and wine section, their fresh produce section, there's seafood section down there, which we haven't got there yet, but we're gonna go over there. We're gonna go take a look and see what type of seafood options they have. But this is your beer and wine. I think this is your soda aisle, I'm assuming so. Probably. Oh look, they got the Asian drinks here. Neat. They got Pepsis. I think that's Pepsi too. What kind of? Oh, it's a peach Pepsi. Okay, and then this one's bamboo flavored. Okay. I'm gonna have to try that next time on Saturday when I come over here. Yep, your soda aisle. Keep in mind, this place is still brand new because they're still putting in inventory. So here's your seafood aisle, or your seafood section. Ooh, now this is what they were trying to wait and show you. Yeah, look at this place. The seafood aisle right there. That's what it looks like. Your butcher shop there. Oh yeah, this is your more of your seafood section over here. Butcher shop. This is some more aisles for canned goods and stuff. Now I want to know, where can I find the ramen at? Because the ramen, I want to know how much is the ramen. My favorite ramen, because my favorite ramen ranges, and I hope it's a good price. I hope so. Quality meats. Oh, this is a bigger fridge aisle than the last time we came to Winn Dixie, because this was small. They expanded this out. Look, it's big. Wow. See, this is still, you can still tell this is part of still, like, they didn't really mess with the interior, exterior, or design of Winn Dixie, because it's still, you can still see parts of it still as Winn Dixie, like, still. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. And then we got more meat over here. We got, well, they changed the rest. Oh, look, they got the weight machine. I want to check my weight. I'm going to check my weight right now. Okay, let's see how much I weigh. I'm glad that they have this, because not a bunch of stores going to have it. Let's see, how much do I weigh? Wow. I need to lose weight. Seriously. Okay, I'm 180 pounds. I gotta lose weight. I seriously gotta go out and walk and exercise. All right. Well, they changed the bathroom now, and we're not going to the bathroom because the bathroom's weird. But it's changed now. Like, this is still new, so it takes time. It takes time. See, like, dairy still taking its time, and so, ooh, hot food. Hot food. But it's not open yet. That used to be the bakery over there. That was the bakery section a long time ago. Your Asian gourmet side, your more of your dairy. So all this is not filled yet, but it's going to be. You just give them some time and they will have it all filled up for you guys. Let's take a look at this. Well, I gotta take some pictures here too, because I'm gonna forget. But wow, this is what's coming soon for the hot food. It looks like they're gonna probably, well, remember that used to be the pharmacy a while back. Pharmacy, probably the customer service checkout that used to be there. Customer service desk probably. Pharmacy used to be there, and the bakery that used to be here. So all of this combined is all gonna be a hot food. Now maybe that will be a hot food, maybe that will be a hot food, and maybe this will be a hot food. Well, all three of them come together. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Neat. Neat job. Neat job. They did a great work. Oh, look, they still have more stuff that they're trying to work out still. Neat. It's it's getting up little by little. Little by little. I'm glad. Sorry for the key jingles, because you're hearing my keys jingling. All right. We're in the ramen noodle section now. But will my ramen be here? So far, I do not see my ramen. What? That's a shocker. I don't see my ramen. That is weird. Or it could be on this wall. And it is not on this wall. Okay, so it seems to me that they do not have my ramen here just yet. Or maybe I'm just too blind and I can't see. But it will be here. It will be here. Just gotta wait patiently. And it will be here. Or it's just in stock somewhere. I have no idea where it is. But yeah, this is what they have for now for ramen right now. I don't see mine, but that's okay. I am not upset about that, but that's okay. Just, I'll give it by Saturday. My ramen will be there by Saturday, I bet. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue to keep searching around. More new coolers. No, that's more ramen, but they're not gonna have my ramen there. More coolers. Neat. Neat. All right. I still got one thing. I want to get one more thing. I don't know what to get. Let's see. If worst comes to worst, then I'm just gonna buy this and just leave. Let's see. Nope. I don't see anything here that I'm looking for. Oh, look, they got chips. If you guys want your international chips, they got it right here. They got your Lay's, your well, I was gonna say your Cheetos, but your Cheetos are not here yet, or maybe they are. But this is all filled up with Lay's. When it comes to the Asian markets, I swear, Asian markets know what's up when it comes to stocking up the Lay chips, because they got some good chips. All right. Well, I mean, from what it seems, I don't think they have my ramen, unless I'm gonna check here all day, but I'm not really worried about it. I'm not really worried about it at all. But yeah, this place is actually pretty cool. I like it. It gives me a vibe. It gives me a vibe like I'm still in Winn Dixie still in a way, but I'm not even in Winn Dixie anymore. But, oh look, here's the front. See? Thank you for shopping at your Jacksonville EnsonMarket. Neat. Neat. All right. Well, it seems like I got a majority of my items because I only just got that. And I probably need some, but yeah. And I think that's it, I guess. And now we're gonna pay for our stuff. Let's go let's go pay for our stuff. All right. Thanks again, guys. Y'all are awesome. Bye-bye. Sweet. All right. Thanks again, EnsonMarket. Woo. Bye-bye. All right. That was fun. That was fun going inside EnsonMarket. And look what's so crazy. EnsonMarket, and you know, I thought about this because both of their the locations that I've been to, right? The one in Gainesville, the one in Orlando, mostly Orlando, Gainesville, Savannah, Georgia, and I think that's it. Those places, they don't have this particular thing because I wish that they had it, but this store has it, and I got one. We got an EnsonMarket bag, a reusable bag. So now that means I can represent this company every time when I come shopping to EnsonMarket. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. To be honest with you guys, I don't know when they will have a grand opening date. I did not ask. I will come back again on the weekend and I will gladly ask them when is the grand opening date so we can do a video for this grand opening store because I'd like to go to the store when it opens. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video of the soft opening. And I really do appreciate you guys watching this video of the soft opening. And will there be a grand opening? There probably will be. This is just like the same as Key Food. There's a soft opening, but we don't have a date for the grand opening yet. But we will soon. You just gotta wait patiently. And when you wait patiently, things will happen. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me going inside this soft opening of EnsonMarket that we waited 2 years for. And I'm glad. Thanks for watching, and yeah, EnsonMarket.